In today's video, I'm going to give you an honest answer to the question, is an online nutrition certification actually worth it in 2026? In the past 19 years in the wellness industry, I've built and sold multiple different companies, and I've trained thousands of students across 35 different countries. So I'm not here to give you a sales pitch. I'm here to tell you who this would be for, who it's not for, if you're wasting your money, or if this could be the best investment of your life. In today's day and age, the question is not about whether it's online or in person anymore. Harvard is teaching programs online. MIT is teaching programs online. The primary question is, can this program actually help you convert your studies into real-world practice, helping people one-on-one, plus also building a business and scaling your impact? Plus, is the piece of paper that you receive at the end actually worth it and accredited and also taken seriously? All right, step one, the legitimacy question. Let's answer the elephant in the living room. Legitimacy is less based on where you studied this day and age and more based on the value of the curriculum. And if you think about curriculum value, you break it down into multiple different parts. The first being, is the program accredited by at least one international accreditation body, ideally 2 or 3? The second part, can you receive continuing education points or continuing education units, CEP, CEUs, from studying through this program? That will obviously give you sort of 2 key insights into the legitimacy of the practice or of the program. The third component would be the depth of the teaching curriculum. Is this a single experts certification program, or are there 50 plus experts teaching across these different verticals? And finally, it's not just about whether or not the accreditation is important, whether or not you have a broad teaching faculty, but do they teach you how to actually implement this knowledge into real world practice? Do they teach you about coaching and different practices for how to go about that? Do they give you access to forms and onboarding and different processes by which to implement that if you're looking to go into coaching? And the other component of that is, do they teach you how to build a category or build a business in this particular category? Part 2, the ROI. Let's talk about money and compare this to a program that you might consider studying at a university. A university degree in nutrition is going to take 3 to 4 years, and it's going to cost you anywhere from $30,000 to $100,000. Plus, you would likely need to relocate to that particular university location, and you will likely not be able to work in the current career that you're in while you're studying. Studying nutrition online typically is completed in around 6 months, and you can do it in and around your current profession. And you can also be starting to build your different go-to-market, whether you're looking at coaching or building a content go-to-market, or courses or programs, or influencer creation, or podcasts, or writing a book. You can be building this as you're studying the program so that your return on investment is actually much faster and much more efficient. Most of the online certification programs are multiple thousands of dollars compared to tens of thousands of dollars. Plus, your speed to market is 6 to 8 months as compared to 3 to 4 years. So your capacity to start or make the transition from learning to earning is severely compressed compared to the learning to earning timeline from starting at a traditional university. Part 3, who is this for? Now let's get honest. I don't want to push anybody into studying nutrition online if it's not for them. If you're looking to follow a path of working in hospitals and clinics and being able to administer nil by mouth, or work in a hospital clinical insurance environment, then this pathway is not for you. You likely are looking at a dietetics pathway or an online nutrition degree pathway that puts you into the mainstream medical profession. If you are looking to work with clients one-on-one, or build a group coaching practice, or help in wellness centers, or help in gyms, or add this on to your particular specialty, if you're a nurse, or if you're a yoga practitioner or a meditation teacher, or you are a personal trainer, then this path is for you. And or if you're looking to study something you're passionate about and turn it into a business that you love and build something that makes you feel like you never have to work a day in your life for the rest of your life, then this is also best for you. And honestly, some of the best nutrition practitioners I know actually never went to university. Some did and some didn't. And over the past 20 years, I've hired multiple people in the different companies I've built that have gone and done nutrition and dietetics degrees, and then also studied with us. and realize that the depth of practical information that is given in the Institute's program with over 50 world-class experts is like where the rubber hits the road. And David Wolf talks about this concept. You can have the best Lamborghini in the world, the best sports car in the world, but what it comes down to is that little piece where the rubber hits the road. If you don't have tires on that vehicle, it's going nowhere. And this is really the practical application that needs to be considered when studying a program online. Do the students that have studied there, have they gone on to build successful businesses, clinics, practices, online ways to market in this space? Or do they not have that? And do they have access to a community of mentorship and coaching throughout the program to help you do that? So if you're thinking about taking this next step on your healing journey, I encourage you to check out the Food Matters Institute's Nutrition Certification Program. You can find out more by clicking the link below this video. Have a beautiful day.